Hey everyone, the point of this video is to answer questions on the project itself. I will not be showing you how to remove the valve cover and valve cover gasket itself, as there are other videos on there that do a very good job of doing so. I will include some of those videos in the description, and I will also include the tools that you will need that aren't very clear in other videos. This video is primarily focused on helping those who are planning on attacking this project and not have to search every single source or go to the forums. I'm trying to keep this very simple for those who want to do it. When I did the project itself, it was very tedious because there was parts that I was missing, and it was frustrating because I'd have to wait a few days to do it. So I want to make this video to make it easier for you guys. So I'll include all the videos and the tools in the description. And please feel free to ask questions upon this project or anything else on this car. I will be uploading more videos, so please leave comments. I'll always respond to them. I'll include my own email too as well, so you can email me questions there, and that'll be it. Alright everyone, this is the valve cover removed. It looks really intimidating at first, but I can guarantee you once you remove it and you look at it and you see where everything else goes, it's a walk in the park from there. Make sure it's clean on the outer perimeters and the spark wells itself, those three little things in the center. I'm going to show you a little piece right here in just a second. This plastic piece right here was giving me a hard time. I had to cut a little piece off of that to put the whole valve cover back on. Won't hurt the car. Just for this model specifically, it was harder for me to work on compared to what I've seen in other vehicles. But make sure it's clean, make sure it's all nice and tight, and that's that. Alright everyone, here we have it. This is the actual valve cover gasket itself. It's pretty firm, but it's not brittle and hard as I thought it was gonna be. It's still pretty tight around the edges, so I guess I'm sure some areas had soft spots. Now this is the actual, if I can pull this off, let me see. Yeah, this is probably what it is right here. Alright everyone, that last piece wasn't coming off on the valve cover itself, but this is the new valve cover gasket, and we're going to be applying the valve cover. I'm going to show you a comparison of what the old one and the new one sounds like coming right up. Place this, and this piece right here, I mean, this is pliable, it won't break, you know, it's super tangible to mess with. On the other hand, I'm just gonna drop one of these just to show you an idea. Yo, loud that was, listen to this. That's the clear difference right there. So after showing you the difference of the old and new gasket, I went ahead and went with the L-Ring brand, which I purchased off of FCP Euro. Just as good as the genuine BMW, half the price because of the brand name itself. Just as good quality as well. Highly recommend you purchase the L-Ring and save yourself some money. In this section right here, this was the car actually starting after finishing the whole job. I was very, very, very petrified that it wasn't going to start. And when I started the car up, it didn't start. It just kept running and running and running. So I went to look at it, and it was a stupid error on my part. I didn't put the whole Valvetronic sensor into the motor itself right there. And I'm actually happy that was the issue. But after that, I mean, the car was running like butter. And such a really good moment to do. I mean, that was probably the biggest project I've done on my car in a minute. So it just goes to show that anyone else can do it. Alright everyone, so that wraps the video up for that. I will include all the links in the description that will help you complete this project. But if I have to say one more thing, I will say that the Valvetronic motor, if you have ISTA P or ISTA Plus, that'll be a big key to make sure that your Valvetronic motor is running and it's synchronized with the gearbox. If not, you just want to make sure you get your, when you go to tighten the Valvetronic motor itself, you feel some tension. And then when you go to start the car up, it's going to be a little rough running a little bit. The RPMs might jump up a little bit, but that's completely normal. But as far as that goes, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I love answering questions. I'll even drop my email in the link below, and that'll be it.